Hey guys, welcome. John, Rapid Metal Fab here today, showing off a few more examples of what we do as a company and what we can do for you who is a potential customer. We have some formed parts. We have a few flat parts here on the table, different materials, different thicknesses to show off the capabilities. So we have some 12 gauge carbon, 12 gauge stainless, 14 gauge aluminum, and some more 12 gauge stainless over here. One of the things that we really love about fiber laser cutting is you get very accurate hole detail. You don't have any kerf on the holes, which you would on a plasma, specifically on the thicker materials. We have very high detail on 12 gauge. Anything less than 12 gauge, obviously, is even better. The thinner the material, the faster we can cut, the more detail, the more burr-free we can cut. That's just the way it works. But we have, like I say, parts with holes, parts that need weldments. This part was TIG welded. We have a ton of capability in the shop, and we can certainly help your business grow. Our slogan has and always will be, when you need parts fast, give us a call at Rapid Metal Fab. What we mean by that is we understand that time is money, so we're gonna work quickly for you, and we're gonna work affordably and reasonably for you so that you can produce a product. So if you guys have questions on what we do or how we can help, please give us a call or shoot us an email. We're always here. So thanks for watching.